You girls excited for the meat?
Yeah. Oh, no. That kind of looks like steak.
It's about to be steak.
Oh,
Because what did we get? We got a almost 8-pound chunk of meat. That's a boneless
take a picture
rib
of it.
roast. But they have it labeled as bone-in rib roast, which was on sale for $6.98. So we got almost 8 pounds for just over 50 bucks. We're gonna cut some steaks off it and then probably do prime rib style for the rest. Right? Does that sound like a plan, guys? Let's get to cutting. Let's get to cutting.
I got as much as you sound fit.
Hey, is it gonna be good?
Yeah.
Say it.
Is it gonna be good?
No, you're supposed to say it's gonna be good.
It's gonna be good.
How?
It's gonna be
How's it gonna be?
It's gonna be good.
Good. Quick look at these before I season them up. There's dads, the kids, and moms. Alright, so here we are out at the old grill, TEC Patio 2, with the grill grates on it. Flip them over the other way here. Just a second. Bought this old TEC Patio 2 for dirt cheap because it wasn't working when I got it, and I did nothing but clean it up. And it works freaking perfect. Oof. There we go. And I usually run them on high for a few seconds here, or a minute or so, and until they start glowing a little better. Alright, I'm gonna go in, grab the meat, let this warm up and hang out for a bit and be ready. And then we'll be back when we're ready to throw some meat on it. Alright, so we're back at the grill here. There's the steaks again before they go on. Looking pretty good. We're going to try to put them 3 across here. A little bit of an angle. That way, when we're ready to, we can give them their quarter turn and kick them over to the open side of the grill. So, it's probably been a couple minutes. I'm gonna give them their quarter turn here, like that, to this side, to this side. You see how super convenient that tool is for flipping or turning and whatnot. We'll let them go for another couple minutes, and then I'll flip them back over to the back side of the grill where it'll be a little warmer. We'll be back in a couple more minutes. Maybe been 2 more minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and flip them to the back here and see how they look. And they look pretty good to me. those grill marks. Gorgeous. Looking good. So we'll go a couple more minutes this way, and then we'll quarter turn them back to the front. Might be at another 2 minutes here. Quick shout out. This video is brought to you in part by TEC Thermal Engineering Corporation, Grill Grates, and Bud Light. Not through like sponsorship or anything, but this video wouldn't be possible without the three of those. Alright, so it might have been another 2 minutes. I'm not entirely sure. I might just be getting cold standing out here. But I'm about to check the internal temperatures using this little guy right here. It's like a knockoff of the Thermopin, but not quite as awesome as the Thermopin, but it seems to work out okay. I don't know the exact brand off the top of my head, but I will put a link down in the description. That's a cool thing. It's a little auto on and off when you open it. But we're going to check the internal temps real quick. Okay, we are at there. Perfect. These are done. We're going to call them done. And I'm burning my hand. Oh, yep, we're just taking them off. Okay. Face is burnt. Hands burnt. I'm going to show you little grill marks here in better lighting. Beautiful. One. There's the wife's. Try to set that one right there. And the kids. Look at that. Alright, toss that one up there. Now, like I said, this little guy fits right down in there. Perfect. To get underneath your meat, and then you just kind of teeter it back to pick it up and off, instead of trying to, you know, scrape it off and messing things up, destroying your grill marks. This thing's perfect. These little guys are absolutely incredible. I'll do a full-on Grill Grates review at some point in time, but in the meantime, don't wait for that review. Just go out and buy some. They're awesome. I promise they're awesome. It's covered in foil. Fall. Check them out here. They look glorious. Get in there for a close-up before I slice into them.